happy Tuesday. I'm Jennifer from the Family Community Health Science Department of Somerset County. Here I'm live in my kitchen today making a dish that's super simple. You'll see how easy it is. It's healthy and it's tasty, and it just reminds me of being in a restaurant and seeing a menu item like this at a restaurant. A spinach salad with all the fixings and a warm bacon dressing. So it's so easy to make at home. Springtime is the perfect time to enjoy a salad like this. So I've already taken a few steps to move along our live video. I've hard-boiled some eggs. So to hard-boil eggs, you just place them in a saucepan of water. When it gets to a rolling boil, turn off the heat, cover it, and let the egg sit for 15 minutes. So I'm making this version for me for a salad of one. So I've just already peeled one egg. I have red onions that I've thinly sliced, and I have bella mushrooms that I've already sliced as well. You can use white mushrooms. So that's ready to go, and my spinach is washed. I've already taken off the seeds. So in my small saucepan here, I have 3 tablespoons of bacon fat, and I just fried that up already, so you can see how thin that is. I have a little reserve here, so you can kind of see it's actually pretty thin. And the flavor in my kitchen, I wish that you could smell the flavor in my kitchen, smelling the bacon that was just fried. So we're only using a little bit, but it's going to pack a lot of flavor. So I have the 3 tablespoons in the saucepan, which I'm putting on low. Okay, and to that, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. You can certainly play around with this dressing and use different types of vinegar, but we're going to use red wine vinegar today. Okay, so 3 tablespoons. And then I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of sugar and a 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And that's going to give it a little tang. So I have a whisk, and I'm just going to gently whisk until the mustard and the sugar is dissolved. So with the red wine vinegar and the mustard, it's just like this very light brownish dressing. Good morning, Adele. Or good afternoon. This is lunchtime, so this is the perfect lunch. I'm going to just grab a spoon and I'm going to just taste this. Oh, I really get the tang of the mustard and the vinegar, kind of the warmth of the bacon. I'm going to add just a little bit, just a little pinch of salt and pepper. Okay, give that a stir. And there's your warm dressing ready to go. Okay, so now to assemble the salad, I have a plate here of the spinach. I'm using baby spinach, and if you see the really big leaves, just pull them off. I'm going to add a little bit of my mushrooms that I've already sliced. That's kind of classic on the warm spinach salad. I love mushrooms, and they're so healthy for you. So this is really a healthy salad. And the thinly sliced red onions, it's going to give it color, but it's also going to give it some flavor. Okay, and I'm going to slice my hard-boiled egg here. Just some nice slices, leaving it intact. Ooh, that one fell apart. It's okay. Some came out nice. That's the perfect little slice. And then some didn't, so that's okay. We're just going to lay it all on the top. And now for the bacon. My family was like, oh, can I have a piece? So yeah, we stole some pieces of bacon already, but we're just going to crumble a little bit of the bacon on top. And again, with this, you could try a healthy version, but you really do need the fat. That's the star of the dressing, is the fat from the bacon. So you're really not using that much. And now we're going to drizzle a little bit of the salad dressing. on top. Oh, you can see the warmth coming off this. This is such a great springtime dish. And now that we have the holidays coming up, right? We have Easter, we have Mother's Day coming up in May. Even if you do just springtime brunches, this is the perfect addition to a menu that you might enjoy in the springtime. So I will post the recipe in the comments below. I will take a photo of this before I dive in, but look at that. We have our protein from our eggs. We have the beautiful mushrooms and spinach to get our nutrients, antioxidants from the onion, and just a little bit of the flavor from the dressing. So I hope you've enjoyed that recipe. Try it. Let us know how you like it. Have a great day.